Alright guys, let's play Animal Hospital. Alright, so here's some of the anomalies I've got, so let's just get started already. Alright, so here I'm going to start. We're at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. It's really good, hurry up. And we are in. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to take this coffee. I'm going to sip, and sip. Let's wait for some people. Or some animals. Animal Hospital. Hello, my name is Lynn Robin. I'm here for my appointment. Robin, let me just stamp your files and take your picture. You look pretty normal to me. You look like a little normie. Let me just put you in and let me just do this on there. Oh, what did you say? I should have gone to a different hospital. Okay, whatever. Just get your badge and there you go. Room 1, got it. Alright, let me just go to room 1. I'm gonna head to room 5 real quick. I think I'm just gonna do like a couple shifts. So, just break this. Alright. There you go. There you go. Alright, you look good. Okay, let me just get you here and here. Bear Blue. There you go. Room 2. Alright. That's patients for shift 1. So I'm just gonna do. Alright. Yeah, make sure there's no eyes. Alright, you have a stomach ache. So let me grab some herbs just for you, friend. Done. You have dried eyes. Alright, well, bye to you. Alright. There you go. And don't attack me. Doctor is arriving. Alright. Here's the doctor. Oh. Okay, I don't know how I got there. Okay. Dr. Hollow. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Hollow. Some advice: if things get strange, just keep working. I'll fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. You're a doctor. But you're a doctor, not a mechanic. Okay, what is our thing? Excellent. Perfect. Alright, let's go get me some things. I have $63. What can I buy? Oh, wait. Oh, no. Who is he? Good. Oh. Oh, wait. He's a headbanger. He's gonna bang his head. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to serve him. Hello, Flynn Hopper. We're here for your appointment. Okay. Okay. We're probably gonna have a death ritual. Very, very soon. So, yeah. Alright. Anyways, you got room 3? Alright. Who's gonna bang? I shall bang with you. Another one! Yay. Alright, you're here for your appointment. I did not catch your name though. Okay, what's your name? Shadow Whiskers. Have a great day in room 1. Goodbye. Okay. I'm just gonna bend this over a minute. Let me just check the cameras. Oh, well, he was looking at me and I didn't feel safe. Oh my god, I have so many twitching ones. You're here for your appointment. And you can just put the blinds. I'm just gonna ignore that. But don't worry, I have like all of the achievements. Like not all of them, but like the headbanger broke the glass or whatnot. But anyways. Let me, okay, you'll be in room 4. Did I check in all the patients? Did I need to check in? Who knows? Alright. 1, okay, hold on, let me just double check if whose has access and who does not. Oh, bed monster. Maple syrup. Watch this, guys. Here's a little tip. Give the bed monster maple syrup and look. He's so cute! And he'll just like do that and he'll go away, see? Pro tip. There you go. Yeah, if, yeah. Alright, just will do that. There you go. Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna need to upgrade that, so. If you guys play this game, let me know. Because I want to know. And if I should do any fun challenges or add some music. Just let me know. Sir, ma'am. If you guys caught the name, knew it was gonna happen. Okay, another pro tip: grab eye drops and watch this. Look at my sanity. It's not gonna go down at all because just eye drops help in general. Sorry for the background noise if there is any. And plus, the twitching guys with the hollowed eyes, him, the one I'm taking care of right now, they will turn back to normal once you've completed the ritual. But what is up with these people with medikits? Like, have y'all been in the same fight or what? Watch this, once I shut this door, it'll happen. What I tell you. When I shut the door, it'll happen. What I tell you. I literally knew it. Alright, anyways. You are completely fine. Let me go back here because I think the doctor's coming. No, who hasn't been treated? Room 1. Get out of the way a bit. Alright. Just plant myself right here. And, yep. The doctor is arriving. Sorry for the quick voice change. There's a patient. Now, he will do his regular dialogue, and you guys will get to see me. I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Okay. Look at me! Look at me! I'm so cool. Okay. Okay. Excuse you? Ooh, look, I'm the best. Okay, I'm gonna get this coffee and I'm gonna do visitors check-in faster. So it's quicker. And yeah. And I couldn't have enough for the extra check-in window. And he looks like a normal person to me. No twitching, no nothing. By the way, guys, if they are hunched back, like hunched forward towards your table, that's when they're like twitching. Just letting you know. Just another pro tip. I'm probably just gonna end it here soon. Things to do, people to see, places to go. Barney, okay, good. Coffee's here. Here's another thing. Drink 2 sippies of coffee. And then, I can't really do this as well, but you're gonna have to like, you can have the coffee, buddy. There you go. Okay, yeah, I'm not really good at it, so. Alright. Bye, Barney. Sorry, just making sure. Okay. Bye, Barney. And bye, you guys. Subscribe, please. Subscribe.